Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how to use this alarm clock. Okay, I've been using this alarm clock for about a year now. As you can see, it's not really in good condition, but it still works. Okay, so this I'm going to show you how it functions and everything on this alarm clock. Okay, so this, yeah, as you can see, is where the alarm clock rings. Yeah, it's really like a toy actually. Okay, and here is where, okay, I'm going to press it now. Yeah, it has a light. Okay, it has a light, just like if you're in the dark. It's really good at night when you just want to wake up and see what the time is. You can just press here and it turns on. Yeah, um here is where the battery is. There's actually a cover, but I didn't put it. But this is where the battery is. If you remove the battery, it stops moving. So this little arrow here, okay, this side is where I can move the alarm clock. So this is where I can set my alarm. This arrow here, if you can see it, this arrow here, I can set my alarm right here. Okay, if I put it back, it starts working. And here is where I can set my time. Yeah, as you can see, alarm and time, light on and off. Okay, let me explain to you how this alarm clock works. So right here, I'm going to set my alarm. Okay, I want to wake up by 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, okay, and my time now is 6:30. I want to set my alarm to 7 o'clock. So our alarm is going to go here. It's off right now, so it won't work now. Okay, my alarm is right here. So let me show you how it's going to ring. If I turn it on, it's on. Okay, I just turned it on right now. On. Okay, so as you can hear, it's vibrating. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's really loud. I'm going to turn it off right now, and it's off. Okay, so I actually put mine at the top of table because I don't really wake up, not the type to wake up early. So at this point, yeah, I think, yeah, this is it, all you can do. But it works actually in this way. Okay, let's say it's 7, or let's say it's 12 in the or 11 in the morning, and I want to wake up 11 in the night. Okay, if I set my alarm clock this morning by 7, it woke me up by 7, and I shifted it. If I shift it to, it woke me up right now by 7. Okay, and I want it to wake me up by 11 in the night, but this is morning. Okay, it's still going to ring. That's why you have to turn it off if you don't want it to ring in the morning and also night. Okay, it doesn't have AM or PM, so no matter where you put it, it's going to ring morning and night. So I hope you understand this tutorial. So the way I actually do mine is, I'm going to, okay, I want it to wake me up. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, and I don't want it to wake me up 11 o'clock. Okay, I don't want it to ring 11 o'clock in the morning. I actually want it 11 o'clock in the night. So I'm going to turn it off when it goes like this. Okay, so my time is going to go like this. Okay, this way. till 11 o'clock. It's not going to ring because I turned it off. So 11 o'clock in the morning is going to pass. Okay, then if I remember, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, and when I turn it on, I'm still going to, okay, here, I'm still going to shift it. Okay, if the time, as time passes by, time passes by, time passes by, yeah. That's how I do it. Turn it off, and that's how you use an alarm clock. Please subscribe for more. I actually do all content. Anything I see that's useful, I make a video with. So anything you want me to video, please leave a comment in the comments section. Thank you. Bye.